Hello guys, good morning. So today we are going to submit my brother-in-law CV in a company office. Okay, so in this video I will show you how we submit any CV in any company office if there is an opening. See, there is two methods. You can submit through email or you can submit directly physically to his to the company office, right? So my brother-in-law do not have a job and he needs a job at this moment. So I came to know that there is a vacancy in one of the company that is nearby to my house, so we are going there. So see, you can see behind my brother-in-law has a paper in his hand and he's running behind me. So we are directly going to submit his CV to the office. Okay, so I will show you how is office in this building. This office in this Yal Tower, the company office is there. There are many companies inside. If you go inside, there will be a board, and that board you can see. Okay, so see, there are a lot of cars in Kuwait, too much of traffic as well, especially in Fahil area. So this is the right side of me, the building is coming. Okay, and you can see that, see, it is Yal Tower. Okay, so we have reached to Yal Tower, and this side, this is the board where you can just see which company you want to go, and the floor number will be written like Al Khurayaf in 16, then HSBC Bank, then Bharat, then Nasser Al Hajri in F8, and then Kentech in F12. So all these company, they will have a floor number, and accordingly you can go through the lift and you can go there and submit your CV. So we are my brother-in-law, you see, he is going inside, and this is the entrance, one of the entrance. Okay, and as you know, here commercial spaces and company as well as malls all are together. You know, in single building you will find everything, even the residential complexes also you will find. This is all the shops inside, as I have shown you in my last video as well. So from here we just have to go our right, and there is a lift corner. Okay, so this is the lift area where we are going inside, and we'll just have to press the floor. As we know what is the floor, if you have forgotten, then here is another list just for your reference. So you can just refer here and you can find your company where you want to go, and the F is the floor and number. So you can just press the same number, like we have to go to 14, so we will press here 14. Okay, and the lift will come. So we are inside the lift now we are going to the company office. Okay, so this is the company office, Al Khurayaf, and a lot of notification is already pasted outside, like no entry without appointment, and then no entry without face mask, and there are instruction how to submit your CV, how to drop your CV, especially drop your resume here. So you can just drop your resume in this CV drop box. Okay, so in this drop box you can drop your resume, and this is the application instruction for your applicant, like a contact number, email address, and passport copy. So whenever you want to submit your CV, these all three information is necessary. Okay, and the instruction is in Arabic, Hindi, English, all three languages. So whatever language you speaks or you speak or you can easily submit your CV. You can just drop your CV here. Okay, so my brother-in-law has already dropped his CV, and now we are going out. Okay, so we have to again press the lift and go. Okay, before that I want to show you the Kuwait from this tower. Okay, from the top of this tower, see how beautiful it looks. No, you can see so far. This is the green tower, you can see the longest tower there, and this whole Fahil and Souq Sabha area, this Fahil market and Souq Sabha area both. See how big this area is, Fahil and Souq Sabha. This well developed area, one of the business area of Kuwait. And this is the KNPC plant where I work, inside the plant. Okay, so let's go to the ground floor. So you just have to press the button for ground floor, and then the lift will come. And this is me. See me again. I'm not in a good dress because I did not come to submit my CV, but my brother-in-law CV. Okay, so this is how. There is not too much crowd in the lift as well because of the corona. but my point of view was to just give you some explanation how people submit here their CV when they need a job and when there is an opening. They usually go this way, physically they go and submit the CV, and this is one of the best way, because you have confidence enough that okay, I have dropped my CV in the box and somebody will pick it and will give it to HR department. Okay, so I hope everything would be clear, like how people submit here their CV, and you can do email as well. Okay, no issues. So have a great day. Bye bye.